So today we'll be doing a total of 5 lines, a staircase that's missing about 3 screws, and a suspension bridge that fell yesterday. And we put duct tape on it. It's duct tape. It's duct tape. Don't worry.
Missing 3 what?
You hear me say that?
Oh, okay.
You hear me say that, miss?
Continue.
Yeah. Now the bridge fell yesterday, but we used duct tape and put it back together. It should
I
go
joke
together
him
this
again.
time, alright?
Yes, sir. Time can't real.
Yeah. Let's get it. Come.
Jesus Christ, I'm
Me tell us my name, Stefan.
No, Jesus Christ. You tell us right first. Oh my
Hold on, right,
Lord, Jesus Christ.
You ready?
Oh, you mean already? You're not shut me up?
Mr. Work here, oh, you know what to do.
Hello, you said this is the safety guard. Where there?
Voice activated. So when you get over there, you're gonna say break, break, break. Oh my God, break, and you stop. Okay?
What the?
Huh?
Yeah, just say it. Just say it. Break, break, break. You want to test it right now? Start saying it. You don't know? You got to. Bye. Oh.
Hey, ready for the zip line? Lisa, you need a key to the phone. You will remember it. Yes. When you go home, you can rest. Me full joy myself at Mystic Mountain. Now we're gonna go on the zip line tour. So I tell the man if you make sure he strap me up tight. Cause girl afraid, you know. But girl got to do what a girl got to do. Yes, thank you, Nikki, for taking me out to Mystic Mountain in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. So when the man done, you know, me have one something in front of me like a bingy bag. See it here? A bingy bag.
Something in your front. See that one? Only for big bag in your front. Big bag.
So you know, say safety first, then double check everything. Nikki strap up, Kai strap up, and Love strap up. So now we're just gonna wait at the assembly point before we all make our way down to the zip line. Yes. So stay tuned. And please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I say people at this point, me tired, you know. Nikki tired we out, me not lie, but me enjoy myself. Thank you, Nikki. Enjoy on a country. And Nikki carry me. Nikki a treat me. You understand? So now the zip line tour begin, and the 2 tour guide say let's go. Jesus Christ, at this point me say me nervous. Not trying to see me there here, so I go on with me antics in the nerves that kill me. Now as we were walking, we come across the infinity pool. We never get for going to infinity pool because time catch up on way. But there's also other rides called Ragamuffin. Yes, I think we didn't go on Ragamuffin also. But anyway, it doesn't matter. We did enjoy ourselves, and I would suggest this place. If you ever go to Jamaica, why not visit Mystic Mountain in Ocho Rios? So we are go down the stairs, you know. Love gone in front of me again like she brave. But I know nothing. Watch me, I take my time, I come down on the stairs. Nerves are bad at me. I not ask, so tell me, I tell you no.
If you care where you have to stress me out. And a little wire something, you know. You understand? So she first I go.
Okay, you pass zip line. You want to get it right. My name is Stefano, alright? Not Jesus. That's right. That's the man Jake right there. Not oh my God. Alright? Now today we got two easy and simple rules. The first rule is that you follow the instructions of your guides. Your job today is to have fun. Our job is to look after you. Copy that? Yes. Good. Now rule 2 is that you don't touch or play with any of your gears. That includes the helmet that you wear, the harness that supports your body, your pulleys and your carabiners, especially this one here. This is known as your safety line. Any attempt to detach it, once it's connected, you're doing a completely different tour. Something like bungee jumping, no strings attached. So you don't touch. Copy that? You're going across, the guy does all the connecting and disconnecting for you, so you don't need to worry about that. Now if you look at your gears, you all have a handlebar provided. You're going to hold on to that handlebar. It's as easy as riding a bike. Now at no point you let it go in an attempt to grab any of these two cables. You do so, you lose a finger or two. Bad for fingers, bad for business. So make sure that you hold your bar. Copy that?
Copy.
Now the guide operates a braking system. We will stop you. Do not attempt to grab these again. Copy that? You have boxes like this one here provided. Bend knees will assist you with landing on the box. There's also a padding on the tree. Please do not stretch your legs out in the attempt to kick yourself off the padding. Doing so, you might kick yourself back into the middle of the line, or even worse, you kick your guide. And if you kick me, it's only fair that I kick you back. So do not kick your guide. Copy that?
Copy that.
All right. Are there any questions?
No.
Any questions? No. All right. So today we'll be doing a total of 5 lines, a staircase that's missing about 3 screws, and a suspension bridge that fell yesterday. And we put duct tape on it. It's duct tape. It's duct tape.
What is it? Missing tree what?
You hear me say that?
Oh, okay.
You hear me say that, miss?
Continue.
Yeah. Now the bridge fell yesterday, but we used duct tape and put it back together. It should
I
go
joke
together
him
this
again.
time, alright?
Yes, sir. Time can't real.
Yeah. Let's get duct tape. Come.
Jesus Christ,
Me tell us my name, Stefano.
No, Jesus Christ. You tell us that first.
Oh my Lord. Hold on right now.
Jesus Christ.
You ready?
Oh, you mean already you're not shut me up?
Mr. Work here, oh you know what to do.
Hello, you said this is the safety guard. Where they?
Remember you didn't sign up for me, you signed up for this.
Bye.
You will make up your mind, you don't understand
The one you're different. The one you're different.
Come here. Are your sister?
Yeah.
Eh? Come here. Come and say ticket here and tell me to move out I will to get video. You sure? Yeah. You sure?
Them play rough, you know. They don't give you a chance for even say no, you're not bother. Watch you know. No, you go on. Yeah.
Yes, come, you go on.
Go on.
Yes, you're brave now. Yeah. Jesus, stop them out. Like you mean, come step up there. Show them where you got to work now. Show them where you got to work, you know. Then think you're forward. Oh, look. Are you that player there, no? Me not travel nothing.
Bye.
Wait, no man.
Go on.
See that tree there, me look at it. Now look at ground. That's it. That's what I read. Like the 15 minutes I feel like half an hour.
15 minutes now?
Yeah.
And when it stop, me have to ask you, so why you stopping at the minute?
Yeah, me I say when if I break
So
it, I break down.
I miss when you're current gone. like our group, but it's small.
Yeah.
So it won't take long to move someone. May ask about the current guy.
Don't worry, somebody over there. Yeah, this one is voice activated. So when you get over there, you're gonna say break, break, break. Oh my God, break, and you stop. Okay?
What the? I'm so excited.
Huh?
Yeah, just say it. Just say break, break, break. You want to test it right now? Start saying it. You don't know? You got to. Bye. It's coming, Daddy. Come on, again.
Watch out. Watch now. Yeah, get used to it.
You said no, no, I'm not getting used to this. I think I'm happy.
The deer devil come now, you know. Lie.
You love the excitement, but that
Yeah, no boy.
love the excitement.
Then two girls want it. I only set up up. Now come over. Yes, it's Shako, man.
I mean,
Sir, you don't see me come. People turn your back at me coming. I don't like that treatment.
Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye. We are going back now. How was your day, love?
I have fun, you know. I full enjoy my day and I full enjoy my moments.
So bend over now. Bend, like lean over this.
Over this?
Yes, lean
Like
over.
this?
Yeah, lean over and look. Look down.
Me? Oh, me?
Yes. Shika what I say?
Oh, me?